Okay, today we are going to hook up our servo to a microbit. So you're going to need a microbit, a servo, and 3 alligator clips with pigtails, which look like this. So there are pins that are going to fit into the servo here. Doesn't matter what color they all work no matter which pin you put them in. But in general, I like to use a black for ground, a red for power, and then the third one is for the pin or the programming, and that can either be black or red. So first of all, we're going to hook up to the ground, and then we're going to clip onto the ground here on the microbit where it says ground. The second one will be the power, which is the middle or the red. And then we'll hook it up to the 3-volt on the microbit. And then the last one is the programming or the pin, and that lines up with the white wire. And then we connect that to whatever pin we programmed. In this case, I programmed number 1. So that's how you hook up a servo to a microbit.